In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to join the meeting error on Zoom app. If you are experiencing this error where you're told unable to join the meeting, that is error code 13224, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Most likely you are experiencing this problem because your app has experienced a glitch, or there's a problem with the app, or as well we have a problem with your phone. So in any of this case, let's see how you can fix this. In the first method, you want to go and ensure that you are not using any VPN, and also you don't use any proxy such as security apps. If you have any security app that you install that is a third-party app, you may want to uninstall them or turn them off to see if this fixes the issue. But should this not work, then you need to troubleshoot your Zoom app. To do this, just go to settings, and then from settings go to apps. From apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From this, search for your Zoom app. So I'll just search for Zoom, and if you tap on it, we are on the Zoom app info page. At this point, first make sure you force stop the app, and also go to clear data and clear all data and clear cache, and again go to clear all data here and tap OK. You also want to go to permissions and make sure that you permit or allow for these permissions such as calendar, camera, contacts, file, and media. So under each, just make sure you enable. Once you have enabled or given access to these permissions, microphone and so on, now you need to restart your smartphone. And now once you have restarted your smartphone, now if you go to your Zoom app, everything should be running without any issue. But at this point, should things not work for your case, then you want to check and ensure you have a stable internet connection. If you have but you still have the challenge, then the problem most likely is with Zoom app itself. For that, sometimes you might experience this error if Zoom has experienced server error. For that, you need to wait and try logging in after some minutes, and now your app should be up and running. You should be able to join a meeting without any issue. So that's how you can fix this error. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.